Hello everyone and welcome to your 15th Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Locking, merging and copying layers. In this tutorial we will learn what a locked layer is. We will learn how to merge layers and copy layers into one another. So let's start. Now whenever you import any image inside of Photoshop, it gets imported as a background image and is locked. As you can see, it has a locked icon on its right side. So a locked image is basically an image in which we cannot manipulate or edit anything of that image till the time it is locked. For example, if I try to select the move tool and then move this image, an error will occur. Could not complete your request because the layer is locked. Since we cannot make any changes to a locked layer, it can only be used as a background, as you can see by its name. Now to remove the lock, you can just double click on this layer and then you can put any name over here, press OK, and then it no longer has the lock on its right side and is now a normal layer, and we can make changes to it as we wish. We can left click, drag it and drop it. Alright. In order to lock a layer, you can select the layer and select the lock from above here, and then selected layers will be locked. As you can see, this layer is locked, but these layers are not locked. In order to unlock a layer, just press the lock over here again and then it will unlock that layer. In order to copy a layer, you can select a layer by pressing Ctrl and clicking on the image or icon of the layer over here, and then the whole image will be selected. Go to Edit, Copy, select any layer that you want to paste it on, and then go to Edit, Paste. That way you can copy layers. Now to merge two layers, select the two layers, right click, and then you can see merge layers, and then those two layers will get merged into a single layer, as you can see right over here. You can right click, go to merge down, and then this image will get merged with the image right below it. Let's see. For now, when we shut this layer off, we see the lighthouse. Below the lighthouse is the flower. If we select the top layer, right click and merge down, it will get merged with the lighthouse, and then when we shut this off, we have only the flower over here. Merging has its own benefits that you will get to know in the later tutorials. For now, let's just press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z to revert all the merging process. In this tutorial, we learned how to copy, merge, and unlock the layers. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.